Constellation Energy is a top gainer on the S&P this morning. As you take a look at the laggards, those shares officially have doubled on the year. Pippa Stevens joins us now. Of course, there is a lot going on in terms of the provisioning of power, particularly for data centers.
That's right, David. And this morning, Constellation Energy said that it will reopen the 3 Mile Island nuclear power plant, selling all of the power to Microsoft as a part of a 20-year agreement to power the tech giant's data centers. And yes, you did hear that right. We are talking about 3 Mile Island, the site of the worst nuclear accident in U.S. history in 1979, which sparked a backlash against nuclear power. But this site has 2 reactors, one that was shut down after the accident and one that was active until 2019, and that is the one that they're reopening. It comes as the nuclear industry is getting another look because of power demand from AI, which is surging. Now, Constellation said it will spend $1.6 billion to revive Unit 1 and is aiming to have the unit back online by 2028, although it is subject to approval by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. The company owns roughly 20% of the U.S.'s nuclear capacity, and shares are up 102% this year as electrification, reshoring, and data centers all increase power demand. Now, uranium stocks are also on the move today. The URA and URNM are both up more than 2% each, and Cameco, Uranium Energy, and NextGen are some of the biggest gainers. And Constellation's jump is also lifting the utility sector as a whole. Vistra, Exelon, and NRG are also on the move. Carl?
Pippa, you've been all over this phenomenon of restarting and even building nuclear energy this year. I wonder, though, if this particular bit of news came as a surprise even to you.
Yeah, you know, there had been some rumors that maybe it would be restarted because, remember, it was shut down 5 years ago to the day. And so it is still, functional in the sense that, the operations, the plans haven't changed all that much. So there had been rumors. But I think the speed with which we've seen these announcements come, we've also seen Palisades in Michigan. That one is also being restarted, and it's kind of set the blueprint for other reactors to come back online. I think it just speaks to the fact that this AI power demand story really did take the market by surprise, and it keeps accelerating. And so there is this kind of need to secure power, and there's nothing more valuable than energy infrastructure that is already built. It is really hard to build new plants in the U.S. It takes so much regulatory approval. And so if you have an asset that is sitting there that could be brought back online, it becomes very attractive. And so clearly there were a lot of people swirling around to try to lock this one down. However, it does still face an uphill battle to coming back online. I mean, Constellation has a lot of credit in the industry because it is the largest nuclear operator in the U.S. But still, there is local opposition, and 3 Mile Island for a lot of people does create a kind of visceral reaction.